Are you tired of dealing with nerve issues and longing for a natural solution? Do you want to unlock the secrets to repairing and rejuvenating your nerves? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of nerve health and reveal the top 7 essential vitamins that can make a real difference in restoring your nerve function. So, let's dive right in and uncover the incredible benefits of these vitamins that can repair and revitalize your nerves, bringing you closer to a life of well-being and optimal nerve function. Vitamin B12, often hailed as the nerve superhero, possesses the extraordinary power to mend and fortify our delicate nervous system. Like a guardian angel for our nerve cells, this remarkable vitamin orchestrates a symphony of regenerative processes that breathe life into our frayed neural pathways. By supporting the production of myelin, the protective coating surrounding our nerves, vitamin B12 ensures swift and efficient transmission of electrical signals, enhancing our neurological function. It acts as a vital player in the synthesis of DNA and the production of red blood cells, essential for delivering oxygen to our nerves and maintaining their vitality. Furthermore, vitamin B12's role in the metabolism of amino acids promotes the formation of crucial neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, which influence our mood and overall cognitive well-being. As we honor this nerve-nourishing powerhouse, we embrace its ability to combat the effects of aging and neurological disorders, fostering a resilient and vibrant nervous system. So let us indulge in vitamin B12-rich foods or supplements, knowing that with each dose, we provide our nerves with the fuel they need to repair, regenerate, and propel us towards a life of neurological vitality. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, stands as a vital nutrient essential for our overall well-being, particularly in regard to nerve health. It plays a multifaceted role in our body's intricate systems, exerting profound effects on nerve function and repair. This remarkable vitamin is synthesized within our skin when exposed to sunlight, but it can also be obtained through certain dietary sources or supplements. Once in our system, vitamin D functions as a crucial regulator, aiding in the absorption and utilization of calcium and phosphorus, which are vital for nerve transmission and maintenance. Furthermore, research suggests that vitamin D possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which may contribute to its ability to alleviate nerve-related inflammation and support the repair of damaged nerves. Adequate levels of this vitamin have been associated with improved nerve conduction and reduced risk of peripheral neuropathy, a condition characterized by nerve damage that often leads to pain, tingling, and weakness. While natural sunlight remains the most efficient way to obtain vitamin D, dietary sources such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks can contribute to our intake. Consulting with a healthcare professional and monitoring vitamin D levels can ensure appropriate supplementation if necessary. By recognizing the importance of vitamin D in nerve health, we can embrace the sun's warmth and incorporate this vital nutrient into our lives, fostering the resilience and vitality of our precious nervous system. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, plays a pivotal role in the realm of nerve health and repair. This remarkable nutrient, part of the B-complex family, orchestrates a symphony of biochemical reactions that are essential for the optimal functioning of our nervous system. Acting as a coenzyme, vitamin B6 facilitates the metabolism of amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, which are crucial for the growth and repair of nerve tissues. By doing so, it contributes to the regeneration and maintenance of healthy nerves. Furthermore, this mighty vitamin aids in the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, norepinephrine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which regulate mood, sleep, and overall brain function. Vitamin B6's neuroprotective properties also extend to its role in the synthesis of myelin, the protective sheath around nerves that promotes efficient signal transmission. Inadequate levels of vitamin B6 can lead to a range of neurological issues, including nerve damage, neuropathy, and cognitive impairment. Fortunately, incorporating vitamin B6-rich foods into our diet can help ensure a healthy nervous system. Sources such as fish, poultry, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds offer abundant reserves of this vital nutrient. So, by embracing vitamin B6, we empower our nerves with the tools they need to repair, thrive, and conduct the symphony of signals that allow us to navigate the world with grace and precision. Vitamin E, a remarkable antioxidant, stands as a guardian of nerve health, its impact extending far beyond its familiar association with skincare. Within the realm of nutrition, this potent vitamin assumes a vital role in nurturing and repairing our delicate nerves. As an essential component of cell membranes, vitamin E shields our nerves from oxidative damage, preserving their integrity and ensuring smooth communication throughout our intricate neural network. Its ability to neutralize harmful free radicals serves as a shield against the wear and tear that our nerves endure over time. Furthermore, vitamin E assists in the production of myelin, the protective coating that envelops nerve fibers, enabling efficient transmission of nerve signals. This multifaceted vitamin also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation that can impede nerve function. Whether acquired through dietary sources or supplements, vitamin E nourishes our nervous system and supports its resilience in the face of challenges. While almonds, spinach, sunflower seeds, and avocados are among the natural sources rich in vitamin E, its importance should not be overlooked. By incorporating this powerful nutrient into our daily routines, we can contribute to the restoration and maintenance of healthy nerve function, unlocking a world of vitality and well-being within our intricate neural pathways. Vitamin C, known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful and versatile nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health, including the repair of our nerves. This essential vitamin acts as an antioxidant, combating the damaging effects of free radicals that can harm our nerve cells. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, vitamin C helps protect and repair the delicate nerve tissues, supporting their optimal function. Furthermore, vitamin C contributes to the production of collagen, a vital component of connective tissues that surround and protect nerves. Collagen provides structural support to nerve cells, aiding in their regeneration and maintaining their integrity. Additionally, vitamin C aids in the absorption of iron, a mineral necessary for healthy nerve function. Adequate intake of vitamin C promotes efficient nerve impulse transmission, ensuring proper communication between nerve cells throughout the body. This extraordinary vitamin can be found abundantly in various fruits and vegetables, such as citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, bell peppers, broccoli, and kale. Including vitamin C-rich foods in your diet not only supports nerve repair, but also offers a range of other health benefits, including immune system support, collagen synthesis for healthy skin, and increased iron absorption. Embracing the power of vitamin C is a key step towards nurturing and repairing our nerves, enabling us to maintain optimal nervous system function and overall well-being. Vitamin B1, scientifically known as thiamine, is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and functionality of our nerves. With its transformative powers, this vitamin acts as a catalyst in the production of energy within our nerve cells, ensuring their proper functioning and transmission of signals. Thiamine is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells, thereby supporting optimal cognitive function. Additionally, this remarkable vitamin possesses antioxidant properties, shielding our nerves from the damaging effects of oxidative stress and promoting their longevity. Thiamine also contributes to the formation of myelin, a protective sheath around our nerves, enhancing their insulation and facilitating efficient signal transmission. Deficiencies in vitamin B1 can lead to neurological disorders such as peripheral neuropathy, characterized by tingling sensations, weakness, and pain in the extremities. Thankfully, incorporating thiamine-rich foods into our diet, such as whole grains, legumes, nuts, and lean meats, can help maintain adequate levels of this vital vitamin. By ensuring a sufficient intake of vitamin B1, we nourish our nerves, promoting their resilience and supporting the intricate network that allows us to experience the world through touch, sensation, and movement. Vitamin K, a vital nutrient for our body's intricate network of nerves, plays a remarkable role in ensuring their repair and maintenance. Acting as a coenzyme, vitamin K contributes to the synthesis of key proteins that support the overall health of our nervous system. Specifically, it assists in the production of myelin, a protective sheath that envelops nerve fibers, facilitating efficient nerve signal transmission. By promoting myelin formation, vitamin K helps to enhance the speed and accuracy of nerve impulses, ensuring smooth communication between the brain and the rest of the body. Additionally, this essential vitamin assists in the activation of proteins involved in blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding in case of nerve tissue damage. While vitamin K deficiency is relatively rare, inadequate levels can potentially lead to impaired nerve function and compromised nerve repair processes. To ensure an ample supply of this crucial nutrient, incorporating vitamin K-rich foods into our diet is crucial. Leafy greens like kale and spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and fermented foods such as sauerkraut and natto are excellent sources of vitamin K. By prioritizing vitamin K intake, we support the resilience and vitality of our nerves, enabling them to fulfill their intricate roles in maintaining our overall well-being. Thanks for watching our video on the top 7 vitamins for nerve repair. Incorporate these essential vitamins into your life for improved nerve health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions below. Stay healthy and see you next time.